So what's up, you fucking cocksuckers? So I'm gonna be playing some freaking standard fucking pixel gun. So I'm just gonna play this shit. I kinda have hurt my leg while not recording this shit. So I'm just gonna play pixel gun and shit like that, whatever the fuck. Alright, let's go to deathmatch. Let's go to random fucking, I don't know, shit. Let's go to pool party. Fucking play this damn game. This game is shitty anyways. So my channel is gonna come back. I'm gonna play some games and I'm not gonna upload like stupid, like, I don't know how to say it, but whatever. Like stupid games. Fuck! Ah! See? This why Pixel Gun or Rilisoft has to fix this shit. If you're watching Rilisoft, I hate you. I wanna fucking slit your throat, you